If you sing things sounding right, the right way, with the right little motion, you can make everything sound naughty. Well, you just squeeze that jar of cinnamon and give a little shake. Ease that sugar off the shelf and get me thinking about the cake. We don't get all hot and bothered, 'cause we both know what it takes. You like cooking in the kitchen, baby, and I love to watch you bake. Wake up Monday morning, you know I never shirk. I'd like a taste of honey, but I got to get to work. I save it up for Tuesday, Wednesday just the same, but I can't make it for the weekend. You know I'll go insane when you just squeeze a little lovin' on and give it all a shake. Gotta churn that butter up, you know it's all about the cake. We don't get all hot and bothered, 'cause we both know what it takes. 'Cause you like cooking in the kitchen, baby, and I love to watch you bake. I know you got your recipes, your sugar and your spice. You know just how to mix it up and make it come out nice. You pour it all into the pan, you shouldn't be surprised. You put some lovin' in the oven and you know it's gonna rise when you just squeeze a jar of cinnamon and give a little shake. Slather all that frosting on, you know that's never a mistake. We don't get all hot and bothered, 'cause we both know what it takes. You like cooking in the kitchen, baby, and I love to watch you bake. You like cooking in